It's CJ. Today I'm working on the 20 by 16 inch canvas here, and I'm going to do what I am calling a continual ribbon. I start in one corner, work my way down, and then back, until I get the canvas covered, and then tilt. I'm going to give you my colors as I use them. I'm going to be pouring them into this bucket. I won't fill it up, but it's the closest thing I have to the right size. I'm going to start with white, and I'm going to use white from Color Place, which you can buy at Walmart. It's a latex paint that's acrylic. Then I'm going to put in Bewitched by Color Place. Oops, lumps. Some 24 karat gold by Folk Art. This is Ebony by Color Place. It's a black color. Sahara, also by Color Place. And this is Deep Magenta by Liquitex Basics. And then more white. I already see cells forming in there, and I didn't use much silicone. I have silicone in the gold and in the Bewitched. So let's go, see what I have here. Okay, let's see. I don't know if this is enough color, but let's start tilting. Pretty though. Pretty colors, huh? Pretty. I like it. Let me move these cups out of the way so that I can maneuver this canvas a little better. I want to put it down to that end and then bring it back a little bit. Yeah, like that. And then off this side in the middle, right here. Pretty. Oh, I love it. Notice this area here in the corner. It's so pretty. It looks like jagged rocks, and some more of it through here. I think I have just the right amount of the purple, and the gold really didn't hide from me this time. Sometimes metallics will hide from me on this technique, but I'm really pleased with that outcome. I'm going to give you a close-up of this, and then I would like to ask you to please leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section below. Also, I'm leaving you my website address and my Facebook page. I hope you'll check out my other work, and see you next time. Bye.